3 ways we self-sabotage in relationships, part 3. Number 1 is picking the wrong partner. Why do we do this? Why do we pick the wrong partners? It's because they feel familiar to us. If you pick abusive partners, it's because this behavior is familiar to you. You probably experienced some sort of abuse growing up. If you choose emotionally unavailable partners, your parents or caregivers were probably emotionally unavailable and they treated you in a similar way, and that feels familiar to you. And if you choose inconsistent people in your life, then maybe your parents were inconsistent with you and they gave you a lot of anxiety and made you feel confused about whether they love you or not. Number 2 is not being able to communicate effectively. Not being able to express your feelings in a healthy way can lead to misunderstandings and conflicts that may harm the relationship. There are 4 different ways that we can communicate. Number 1 is aggressive. Number 2 is passive. Number 3 is passive aggressive. And number 4 is assertive. So we need to make sure we have assertive, kind and loving but firm way of communicating. And number 3 is shutting down. People shut down because they don't want to feel their feelings. If this happens in a relationship, the other person will feel unheard, unseen, and ultimately not want to be in the relationship. So instead, try listening to your partner and expressing your needs, your emotions, and your boundaries clearly. Communicating vulnerably will improve your relationship and create emotional safety. I am hosting an online program called the 15-Day Relationship Challenge, and you can join us in my link in my bio. And I talk about the ways we self-sabotage in relationships and how to heal this on a deep subconscious level. We do breath work, we do EFT and hypnotherapy.